The Qing Empire. At the beginning of the 19th century, the Great Qing ruled a large and sprawling empire. That was the official name of the last Chinese dynasty. It had an ethnically Manchu leadership. The Manchu people came from Manchuria, which is roughly north of Korea. The Qing Dynasty ruled over a territory larger than China is today. It included all of modern China, but also parts of what are now Tajikistan in the northwest, Mongolia in the north, and all of Manchuria, some of which is now in Russia. It also controlled Taiwan. Its protectorates, areas that were not under direct administration, included Korea and in Southeast Asia, which today includes countries like Myanmar, Vietnam, Cambodia, and Thailand. This vast empire was ruled from Beijing. The Qing Dynasty had grown out of Manchuria and its initial capital, which is now called Shenyang. The Qing replaced the Ming Dynasty in the 1600s and came to occupy Beijing as its new capital. The Ming had built the Forbidden City in Beijing, and now the Qing controlled it. Qing emperors would usually live in their regional palace in Shenyang at least part of each year. However, the administration was primarily based out of Beijing in and around the Forbidden City. As with the other dynasties, government administration was coveted employment. To be a senior administrator, one had to pass 3 successive and grueling examinations. These examinations were about mastering classical and Confucian teachings. Successful administrators were therefore knowledgeable about poetry, the classical arts, and lessons of governance and philosophy almost 2,000 years old. The Qing Empire was powerful. It governed approximately 400 million people directly and had influence over neighboring nations containing tens of millions more. It had been expanding, and while its army was stronger than its navy, the Qing had sufficient navy to wrestle control of Taiwan from Ming loyalists. But it was also developing technologically and administratively more slowly than some of its faraway traders. This will become clear when we discuss the Opium War. Please join us again for further episodes of the Chinese Revolution. We'll soon be discussing the Opium War that began the transformation of China into a modern state, when Qing China got to know the British Navy. Thanks for listening to the Chinese Revolution.